केंद्रीय मंत्री सर्बानंद सोनोवाल ने भी भाजपा के संकल्प पत्र को लेकर अपनी प्रतिक्रिया जाहिर की। उन्होंने कहा कि पीएम मोदी के नेतृत्व में पूर्वोत्तर का निरंतर विकास हो रहा है और आगे भी होता रहेगा।
Yeah, this is a very clear indication that how country will be taken forward under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in the next 5 years. That has been very, very categorically clarified through the manifesto. And in that manifesto, whatever agenda has been put for future course of action, particularly the bullet train, that would be included a northern part of India also. That means speed and scale, the two important word term has always been narrated by Honorable Prime Minister through his speeches. That is the target vision. So we'll have to speed up our scale, isn't it? So that's why our progress will be taken into that account in the next 5 years. And as a whole, as earlier it was said that in the next 5 years India is going to become the top 3 economy in the world. Yeah, this is very, very important initiative. This is highly essential because every citizen wants that there should be uniform policy brought in place to make the election uniform, so that no unnecessary putting their engagement and because of the frequently election being conducted at different stages. So that's why if there is some uniform election, then one time the citizen as well as the system will be engaged and it would be smoothly conducted. And I believe this is how the value of democracy will be strengthened in our Indian entire system. Northeast also taken special cares in this regards, and it has also been promised that there will be no further interstate border conflict. Okay, and that measures will be taken, and APSA will also be tried to remove from all part of the region. So peace has already been restored because of the dynamic initiative taken by Honorable Prime Ministers and Home Ministers. So in the last 10 years, and that is out of getting the peace, the Northeast is now excelling its growth day by day.